What's going on, guys? What's going on? People Ready Job Stack. Let's just get straight to it. People Ready is a temp service. Job Stack is the app for the temp service job. And you go to, well, first, what I want you guys to do is comment, like, subscribe, share my videos, all my videos. Somehow you just found this video first, watch this one, then the other ones. I repeat, watch this one, then the other ones. But share my videos. The point I'm making, People Ready is a temp service. They have multiple jobs. I'm going to show you right up here on the website. So you'll be doing things like this. And what I like about it is, guys, they have a referral program. And they got the referral program on the site, guys. That's not the referral program. That's the feedback. Let's go to the referral program. Okay, guys. So once you go below the description and then join through my link, the app will show up like this. Send Job Stack on the phone. I repeat, once you click the link below the description, my link, it'll look like this. So once you're done signing up through Job Stack, I advise you to do it. Before I even get into that, I advise you to do this. When you see this video, I advise you to do it Monday through Friday. Do it on a weekday. Alright, so back to it. So once you're done, signing up through this, guys, I want you to call People Ready, guys, and then get acclimated in the system. And People Ready is located in many states, guys. So, yes, in California. Also, it's in, if you live in Virginia, I just randomly thought of Virginia. So if you live in Virginia, they there too. Maybe I didn't spell Virginia right. I don't know, guys. It didn't pop up, but guys, they everywhere, guys. Yep, guys, it looked like I didn't spell it right. So I want to let y'all know that they are in Virginia too, because they're everywhere, guys. Just to be honest, I don't have to just keep saying that. It's anywhere in the United States, they're there. People Ready. So what I love about it is they're letting you guys refer people. So all you have to do, share your link. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing my link to you guys through my channel. Once your friend registered, or anybody, you don't have to be my friend. Once anybody registered, and it be taking the jobs, but I don't think they're gonna be taking the jobs after you guys register through Job Stack. I want you guys to call People Ready too, okay? I'd rather you call People Ready first, or at the same time, or right after you sign up through Job Stack, so you can have everything going, boom, 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 so you can get everything going instead of just asking questions. Then after that, you work 8 hours. You find a job, you work 8 hours, and boom, I get paid $10. And you get people to do the same thing. Once you want to refer, or you decide to refer people, you get $10. It's that simple. So all you have to do, go below the description, go get my link, sign up through Job Stack, call People Ready, sign up through them, get your tax form and everything going, find you a job. Once you find you a job, boom, I get paid $10, guys. That's simple, right? It's not really hard, guys. And you go here to look for jobs, but I want to have something. I want to show you something, guys. So this is how it will look. That's how it would look, guys. I was hiding some things. But guys, this company been around since 1989, right? And that's the headquarters right there, guys. Not Milwaukee, but Washington. Kent, Washington is the headquarters. Parent organization, True Blue company. CEO Patrick Bear Harrelly. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I ain't even gonna try to pronounce it. Just Pat B. Guys, just come join, alright? Come join. I mean, come on, man. If you're in Virginia, shout out to you, man. These people here, what, man? Just come join. I have a link below the description, guys. I mean, why wouldn't you want to join? let's go back and show you again. Why wouldn't you want to join? You already worked a job before. You already probably working a job now. You trying to make money online. Why not work and make money online at the same time? That's what you're doing anyway. So it's put together for you to win, guys. So come join. People ready, job stack. I repeat and we'll repeat and we'll repeat and we'll repeat one more time. You find this video? Remember what I said before I even go. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, share every other video, share my channel. Another thing, go down the link below the description. Or go below the description to my link. Let me say it again, because y'all probably think I, was mumbling. So go down below to the description, get my link, then sign up through JobStack. Call People Ready. Once you call People Ready and you got everything, acclimated, you in the system with JobStack and People Ready, start working. Once you work 8 hours, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7.5, 8 hours, boom, I get paid $10 per person. You do the same, get people to join under you, you get $10 per person. Remember, once they're in the system, do both things, People Ready and the app. JobStack, People Ready and the app. People Ready is the company, app is the app company. App is part of People Ready. Once you in the system, you get people to work 8 hours. Or once your people work 8 hours that you bring in, you get $10. And what else I like about it is they show you total referral in progress, eligible for referral or for the reward or total reward. So I don't have any. So get it going, guys. Please, let's get it going. This is real. This is not fake. It's not a scam, guys. Let's get it. Mr. MMO, Mr. MC, let's go. Yo. Let me stop playing with y'all. I'm out of here. Let's get it.